Versatile in terms of design and layout, especially where there is space constraint. Unlike systems that require extensive ductwork to deliver cool air to the air conditioning space, chilled water is piped to the FCUs located within the space. The chilled water pipes are connected to the cooling coil of the FCU. Room air is drawn into the FCU, where it is cooled and dehumidified before being supplied to the room. The FCUs have filters located at the upstream of the fan. The filter cleans the air and hence reduces the level of airborne contaminants within the air-conditioned space. When there is a change in the room temperature, the room thermostat will send a signal to activate the automatic control valve. The valve will then open or close to regulate the chilled water flow to fan coil unit to provide the right amount of cooling to the circulating air. The system provides flexibility for zones requiring individual control. Room thermostat allows occupants to change a set point to the desired temperature. This thermostat also provides the selection of fan speed, controlling the supply air volume flow rate to the conditioned space. Designed for energy conservation, the fan coil unit can be switched off